so lightweight, it's not oily. At the same time, it added a beautiful, healthy glow to your skin. And this kind of shade, I think it just enhanced my skin tone really well. I used to wear coral shades a lot, but recently I've been loving this kind of shades on me. Hi guys, this is Srinanthi. Welcome back to my channel, The Glow Getter. So today's video is all about summer friendly makeup for oily skin girls. So this video is going to be super helpful if you like to wear makeup during summer but couldn't because of this humid weather. And that's why today I'm going to share how I do my makeup during this humid weather, how I manage to look flawless till the end of the day. So yeah, there is going to be a little bit of tricks. So jisko follow karke you can also achieve this kind of flawless makeup. So here is a little disclaimer, everyone's skin is different. So जो आज की वीडियो में मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ that completely works for me. Lastly, I'm from Kolkata, and if you're from Kolkata or ever been to Kolkata, then you know what kind of humid weather here in Kolkata right now. But still, I managed to look flawless till the end of the day. So I thought let's share it with you all. It might be helpful for you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, now let's get started. So I have already done my skin prep. So it's like you have to do it according to your skin type, of course, and what products you are comfortable to use and suits your skin. So I've done mine. And okay, so skin prep is really important. It's not just a primer but also the moisturizer, serum, toners, everything is very important. You cannot skip any one of that. Here I'm using this two. This one is from ELF and this one is from Lakme. So first I'm going to apply this. I'm using it all over my face. I love this primer because it has a really sticky consistency. It just holds my makeup so well for a really long time. And the best part is all skin type people can use this. I have super duper oily skin. I love it during the summer especially. Alright, now it's time for our second primer. It's my ultimate favorite when it comes to a pore filling primer, especially for summer. Honestly, I just swear by to this primer. Controls my oil for so long. I love it. So if you have super large pores, then you should give it a try. I'm just applying the parts where I have open pores. Alright, so my skin prep is done. Now it's time for a product that I've been loving lately, and it's a new addition to my makeup collection, but I am loving it. This product is going to be really good if you hate wearing base makeups like foundation and also loves a very dewy makeup but not oily. So yes, I'm talking about this Viral ELF Hello Glow liquid filter. I'm in the shade light to medium. It's a magical product. Just let me show you. I'm obsessed with this one. And I like to blend this with a brush. You can also use a finger if you want. It's just going to add a beautiful healthy glow to your face, and also your skin going to look like your skin. So yeah. Just look at that. I love how it looks on my skin, how it feels. It's so lightweight, it's not oily. At the same time, it added a beautiful, healthy glow to your skin. Okay. So next step is a concealer. I cannot miss this step. So I'm using this again, one of my favorite, my constant Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I can't live without this one. Just a little bit. That's it. I'm not going to apply any more concealer. So now let's blend this. Alright, now next step is one of my favorite step, which is a blusher. And I'm using this Simply Lamb Cream blusher. I love this kind of shade. This is in the shade 2 Peas in a Pod. It's such a refreshing shade for summer. So these are just super pigmented and long lasting. And this kind of shade, I think it just enhances my skin tone really well. I used to wear coral shades a lot, but recently I've been loving these kind of shades on me. So if you are in someone like near to my skin tone or my skin tone, then you're gonna love these kind of shades. Just look at that. How pretty this looks. There's a bit on my nose because I love it. Alright, so the next most important step is a powder, and I'm using this from SheGlam. It's their Insta Ready powder. I love this because it is super lightweight, at the same time it's waterproof. So if you tend to sweat a lot, then I will suggest you to use a waterproof powder, because that will help to hold your makeup for so long. And I love this because it has two types of powder. I love this one as well too. I'm gonna show you. And also there is a translucent loose powder. So first I'm going to set my base with the loose powder. It's almost finished. You can see how much I love this powder. Okay, so before applying powder, always use a concealer brush to kind of blend the makeup under your eye, because here it is big creases a lot. Next, of course, I'm using a puff. And I'm applying the powder especially on my T-zone and wherever eye creases a lot. So after setting my under eye and especially my T-zone, मैं उसी puff को ऐसे पूरे face में चला रही हूँ so that my makeup sets और ज़्यादा powder भी ना हो face पे. I mean मैं अलग से powder नहीं ले रही हूँ to set my entire face. I hope that makes any sense. So yeah, there you go. My base is done. My base looks flawless, at the same time natural. Okay, so I need a powder blush to kind of enhance the pigmentation, and that's why I'm using almost same shade in a powder blush, and this is from Miss Claire. It's such a pretty pink shade and also super duper affordable. And if you are using this for the first time, you need to be super careful because it's insanely pigmented. So just this, you can see how much product I have on right now on my brush. So you have to tap the excess and then apply. Just look at that. It's just insanely pigmented. But I love the shade. It's super fresh and it looks beautiful on my skin. Done. My base is done. It's NYX Matte Finish Mini Matte Setting Spray. It's a holy grail for oily skin people in summer. It just holds your makeup for so long. It just makes your face super matte. Like, बहुत अच्छा है ये. So I'm going to apply this. मैंने सेटिंग स्प्रे अप्लाई कर लिया. नाउ हियर इज अ ट्रिक, स्मॉल ट्रिक, जिससे आपका फेस एकदम वो एयर ब्रश लगेगा. एंड ऑल्सो इट विल हेल्प टू keep your under eye creaseless for long. So just take a puff and a translucent compact powder, not a regular compact like tinted compact, or loose translucent powder भी नहीं लेना है. You have to take something like this, which is translucent at the same time it's a compact. So just taking in the puff, and again same thing. So you can totally see that it looks like this side I've applied some kind of filter. So, and also it looks more brighter than this one. I don't know is the camera doing justice or not, but in person it looks super flawless, like a airbrushed look. So let's do on this side as well. Alright, so my makeup is completely, no, not my makeup, I mean my base is completely done. Now it's time for eye makeup. And eye makeup में बहुत ज़्यादा minimal रखने वाली हूँ, because during summer we not everyone likes a really heavy eye makeup, right? So I want to do something breathable at the same time. It wanna look really put together. So yeah. Before starting my makeup, I am going to do my eyebrows. So for that, I'm using Jaclyn USA Pro Stroke Brow Pencil. It's a really good one. I'm just giving it a little bit of shape because I already do have a really thick eyebrow. I'm keeping it super natural. So for eye makeup, I'm using this Huda's Naughty Nude palette. It's one of my go-to palettes from Huda Beauty. It has all the beautiful neutral warm shades you will ever need. It's just a really, really pretty palette. Okay. So for today's makeup, I'm going to use these two shades. It's going to be super easy peasy makeup. First, I'm using the light shade as my transition or base color. Can you see that how pigmented this is? Just
beautiful.
Just blending it all over my eye. The same on this eye as well. Now taking a smaller brush and applying that burgundy matte shade. It's super pigmented, so I'm just going with a really tiny amount of it. Okay. So that's it. Now I'm going to do the same on this eye as well. Alright, so the last tip, which is a mascara. It's a must tip. I can't skip. It just changed the whole look. And I'm using a really old favorite. This is Maybelline Colorcell Waterproof Mascara. It's a beautiful mascara and affordable price. look at that. I love using 2 to 3 coats of mascara. It just opens up my eyes and also looks bigger, so I love it. Alright, so now it's time for lipstick, and for that I think I'm gonna go for lip gloss today because lately I am in love with lip glosses. And before that I'm going to line my lips, of course, and for that I'm using this Mars Edge of Desire lip liner, and it's in the shade Wine Night 05. It's a very pretty shade. Alright, now it's time for lip gloss. And for that I'm using this affordable beautiful lip gloss from Swiss Beauty. It's a very pretty, and this is the shade 09. It's a very pretty pink shade. Sleeping. Just look at that. I love this ombre glossy effect. It's so pretty. Alright, this is my complete look. I know कि मैंने बोला था आज मैं लिप मिनिमल रखूंगी, but like करते करते ऐसा हो गया है, and then I realized that it actually looks good with this look. And since I'm wearing white, I think it's complementing my entire look. It's balancing out. So yeah, that's why I'm keeping it this way. So if you don't like this kind of lip, then you can totally wear whatever you are comfortable with. So yeah, and I think this look turned out really, really good, and I love it. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this look, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're watching my videos for the very first time. And yeah, that's it for today's. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.